This factory is one of the best examples of modern food production. The factory uses the latest technologies to ensure that meat is processed in the highest quality and healthiest way. Thanks to strict quality controls at every stage, it is ensured that the best quality meat reaches your tables. It will be truly fascinating to watch how the machines work, how each stage is meticulously controlled, and how automated the whole process is. First shock. As soon as we step through the factory door, we see how technological and advanced this huge facility is. Sheep are selected with incredible care and undergo health checks. We come to the cutting and processing section. This place is truly a marvel of technology. Modern machines and robots are working feverishly to process lamb meat in the most hygienic and efficient way. It is truly fascinating to watch the robotic arms used during the cutting process. It's like we're in a science fiction movie. Are you ready to discover the incredible process behind the production of goose eggs and meat? We come to the egg laying and collection part. Once the eggs are collected, the cleaning and packaging process begins. Modern machines ensure hygienic cleaning and packaging of eggs. Each egg is meticulously processed and packaged. Now, we move on to the processing of goose meat. The cutting and processing department is truly a marvel of technology. Modern machines and robots are working feverishly to process goose meat in the most hygienic and efficient way. It is truly fascinating to watch the robotic arms used during the cutting process. We are opening the doors of a modern camel meat production factory. Are you ready? Camels are carefully selected through special health checks. Now comes the slaughtering and processing process. Camels are processed under hygienic conditions and with state-of-the-art machines. Automatic systems and robots used during the slaughtering process ensure that the meat is processed in the highest quality. After the slaughter, the cleaning and preparation process of the meat begins. Modern machines ensure that meat is cleared of foreign substances and processed under the most hygienic conditions. Each piece of meat is meticulously processed and classified in accordance with quality standards. We are opening the doors of a modern reindeer meat and fur production factory. Are you ready? Reindeer meat is processed with state-of-the-art machines and robots. We are fascinated while watching the robotic arms used during the cutting process. These machines ensure that meat is always processed under the most hygienic conditions and to the highest standards. It's truly incredible. Modern machines ensure that meat is cleared of foreign substances. The fur of the reindeer is transformed into the highest quality products through special processes. The stages of cleaning, processing, and preparation of furs, combined with modern technology, offer a fascinating process. It's truly amazing to see how these furs are made so smooth and high quality. Check out the incredible process behind the production of crocodile meat and skin. Crocodiles are carefully raised on private farms and undergo health checks. Crocodile meat is processed with state-of-the-art machines and robots. Robotic arms and automatic systems used during the slaughtering process ensure that the meat is processed in the most hygienic and efficient way. After the slaughter, the cleaning and preparation process of the meat begins. Machines equipped with high technology ensure that meat is cleared of foreign substances. Crocodile skins are transformed into the highest quality products through special processes. The stages of cleaning, processing, and softening the leather, combined with modern technology, offer a fascinating process. Are you ready to discover the incredible process behind kangaroo meat production? Now we enter the processing process, and here we witness the perfect harmony of technology and nature. Kangaroo meat is processed with state-of-the-art machines and robots. Robotic arms and automatic systems used during the slaughtering process ensure that the meat is processed in the highest quality and hygienic manner. After the slaughter, the cleaning and preparation process of the meat begins. Machines equipped with high technology ensure that the meat is cleared of foreign substances. The processed meat is packaged with vacuum packaging machines and maintains its freshness. Look at the production of salmon meat. When we move to the cutting section, we are fascinated by the technology we see. The slaughtering of salmon is done with incredible speed and precision. Automatic systems used during the slaughtering process immediately begin to preserve the freshness of the fish. You won't believe your eyes when you see how quickly and efficiently everything works at this stage. After slaughtering, we enter the process of cleaning and processing the meat. Thanks to the advanced cleaning systems used here, salmon meat is cleared of all kinds of foreign substances. This meticulous cleaning process improves the quality of the meat and keeps hygiene standards at the highest level. Truly astonishing. First, we witness how carefully trout is grown in this facility, located in the heart of nature. When we move on to the ovulation process, we are amazed by the technology used. During the spawning period of trout, the eggs collected in specially designed areas are collected and processed precisely. The collected eggs are transported to special incubation rooms. In these rooms, ideal conditions are provided for the development of eggs. Finally, the growing trout prepare for new spawning periods, and the cycle continues. In these ponds, carp are raised in conditions very close to their natural habitat. After the carp reach a certain size, they are processed. At this stage, everything happens with incredible speed and precision. The fish are carefully selected and prepared for processing. It is truly amazing to watch how these processes are done so quickly and efficiently. When it comes to the cutting and cleaning process, we are fascinated by the methods used. Carp are processed under modern and hygienic conditions. Here, the freshest and highest quality meats are carefully selected. Each piece of meat is carefully prepared to create the wonderful taste of the doner kebab. We witness the marinating process of the meat. Meat marinated with special spice mixtures and sauces creates the unique taste of doner. Doner kebab skewers are cooked slowly in special doner machines. The meat is crispy on the outside and juicy and soft on the inside. It's fascinating to see the steam and aroma rise as you watch the cooking process.